Hello and welcome to the Clinical Modeling Project's series of videos on how to edit content using Filmora 14. This first session will be dedicated to the preliminary steps that we recommend you take before start editing videos. First, you need to make sure that you have the Filmora 14 software installed in your computer and that the software is duly updated. Also, please make sure that you have your login and your password to access the full features of the software ready. Also, we recommend that you create a folder in your desktop in which you will save the materials that you will be working with. This folder should be organized in 3 subfolders. The first one, with the videos, is where we expect you to save the materials that you recorded using the smart glasses or the device that you use to record, such as a cell phone or a camera. On the second subfolder, titled Projects, is where you can save all the material that you will be producing in Filmora that is not yet fully edited. So that it's not fully ready, you can save it as a project, as you will see later, and you can always return to that material and continue working on it. On the third folder, it's where we expect you to save the results, meaning the final videos that are fully edited. These are the steps that we expect you to take before start editing the videos. These are the preparatory steps. On the next sessions, we will go step by step on the process on editing the videos. So see you soon, and let's continue working in Clinical Modeling Project. Thank you.